In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create list name and description in Aweber Autoresponder. When you manage an email list in Aweber, the list name and description are more important than they look. The name helps you quickly recognize the list inside your account, especially when you have more than one. The description acts like a short label that explains what the list is for, which is useful for organization and for anyone else on your team who may access the account. To begin, sign into your Aweber account and open the list you want to update. Once you are viewing the correct list, look for the option called List Settings. Click List Settings to open the area where you can edit the details for that list. Inside List Settings, find the section labeled List Name and Description. This is where you will make your changes. First, click into the List Name box. Type the name you want to use for your list. Choose a name that is clear and specific, so it is easy to identify later. For example, you might include the topic, the source, or the purpose of the subscribers on that list. Keeping it consistent with your other list names can help you stay organized over time. Next, move to the list description box. Type a short summary that explains what this list is about. This description should be brief but informative. You can mention what type of content subscribers receive, how often you typically send messages, or what the list is used for internally. A good description can prevent confusion later, especially if you revisit your settings after a long break or if you manage multiple campaigns. After you enter both the list name and the description, scroll down the page. Take a moment to review what you typed for accuracy and clarity. Then click Save All Settings. This final step applies your updates and makes sure Aweber stores your changes properly. Once the settings save, your list will display the updated name and description moving forward. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.